Today we are going to be reviewing multiplying polynomials. And just so you know where we're going with this, we start by multiplying polynomials and then we'll work backward and factor. So first, we can talk about just when you multiply binomials. So bi is 2, so this is when you're multiplying two terms. So you can either use the box method, so if we have 3b plus 2 times 2b plus 4, put this into a box, make it 2 by 2 because each binomial, well, has two terms. So we have 3b and 2, and 2b and 4. It's plus, so we can just leave them all positive. 2b times 3b is 6b squared. 2b times 2 is 4b. 4 times 3b is 12b. And 4 times 2 is 8. And then to find our answer, we have 6b squared. 4b plus 12b is 16b. And then we have 8. So there's our answer. For our next one, let's do 3a minus 3 times 3a minus 1. Please pause the video and try this. Okay, hopefully you tried it, and now you can check your answer. So make a 2 by 2 box again. So 3a, and it's minus 3, so we'll put a negative 3, and a 3a and a negative 1. 3a times 3a is 9a squared. 3a times negative 3 is negative 9a. Negative 1 times 3a is negative 3a. Negative 1 times negative 3 is 3. So our answer is 9a squared. Again, we're adding along the diagonal here. Negative 9 plus negative 3, or negative 9 minus 3, is negative 12a. You don't need a plus and negative, you can just do minus if you want. And then plus 3. We can also multiply binomials using the FOIL method. And FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, last. And this works with binomials as well. I actually have a shirt that says FOIL on it. I think it says like FOIL keeping algebra fresh or something like that, which oddly I purchased before I was even a math teacher. So make of that what you will. All right, so let's first look at x plus 4 times 5x plus 2. So first is the first term times the first term, x times 5x, which is 5x squared. The outer is like the x times the 2. They're both on the outside. So plus 2x, plus the inner, which is 4 times 5x, plus the last terms multiplied together in each, 4 times 2, which is 8. The first, outer, inner, last is fine, but essentially every term in each binomial has to be multiplied by each term in the other binomial. So then if we simplify a little bit, 5x squared, 2x plus 20x is 22x plus 8. Here's another. 2v plus 1 times 5v plus 2. Please pause the video and try this one. Okay, so for this one, 2v times 5v is 10v squared. 2v times 2 is 4v. 1 times 5v is 5v. 1 times 2 is 2. So we have 10v squared. 4 plus 5 is 9, so plus 9v plus 2. The last thing we'll talk about today is when you multiply a binomial times a trinomial. So if binomial is 2 terms, trinomial is 3 terms. So if we have 4n minus 3 times 5n squared minus 4n plus 1. Now we'll make a 2 by 3 box, or a 3 by 2, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I'll put 4n negative 3, 5n squared, negative 4n, 1. So 5n squared times 4n, well 5 times 4 is 20, n squared times n is n cubed. 5n squared times negative 3, negative 15, n squared. Negative 4n times 4n is negative 16n squared. Negative 4n times negative 3 is a positive 12n. 1 times 4n is 4n. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. So we have 20n cubed. Negative 15 plus negative 16, or negative 15 minus 16, is negative 31n squared. 12n plus 4n is 16n. And then minus 3. There's our answer. Now let's do 2a plus 3 times 5a squared plus a minus 3. Pause the video and try this. Okay, so we'll have our 2 by 3 box again. So 2a and 3, 5a squared, a, negative 3. 5a squared times 2a is 10a cubed. 5a squared times 3 is 15a squared. 8 times 2a is 2a squared. 8 times 3 is 3a. Negative 3 times 2a is negative 6a, and negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. So we have 10a cubed. 15 plus 2 is 17a squared. 3a minus 6a is negative 3a minus 9. Keep in mind, if you wanted to, you could, it wouldn't really be FOIL because first, outer, inner, last, you would have more than 4 terms, 4 sets to multiply, but we could do it this way. So you could do 2a plus 3, 5a squared plus a minus 3. And now we'll do 2a times 5a squared, which is 10a cubed, 2a times a, so plus 2a squared. 2a times negative 3, which is negative 6a, plus 3 times 5a squared, which is 15a squared, plus 3 times a, which is 3a, plus 3 times negative 3, which is negative 9, and if you simplify, we have 10a cubed. 2a squared plus 15a squared is 17a squared. Negative 6a plus 3a is negative 3a minus 9. So you get the same answer regardless of which method you prefer. It's really